Prem Kumar. I am a recent graduate in machine design specialization, which is master's degree from NIT Warangal. Prior to that, I have done my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from Vignan College, Visakhapatnam. Basically, from a mechanical engineering background, I am coming from a non-coding background. Before joining 10x Academy, I just went through the basic C language, and Python through YouTube videos. I don't have any prior knowledge before joining 10x Academy. Just I used to go through the basic videos. For example, conditional statements and loop conditions, etc. I used to watch through YouTube videos. Actually, one of my friend named Akash Yadav, he introduced me this 10x Academy. He was also alumni of 10x Academy. He said that the process was very smooth while he was going through the BootCamp. I joined in 10x Academy. Before joining into 10x Academy, there was a perfect guidance on me regarding the ISA. And before joining only, they have given briefly the introduction, and they have given the whole timetable, means what we are going to learn in the bootcamp. And about ISA, coming to ISA, they have detailedly explained each and every page. Actually, we are having a PDF of 10 to 11 pages. They have given clarity explanation for each and every page. I used to face challenges in the topics when I encountered some topics like functions and recursion topics and some sorting algorithms. So I used to struggle a lot. I got the right guidance through 1:1 sessions. Then through that 1:1 session only, I got to know about some other famous algorithms. In a single go, I am not able to explain. I am not able to understand each and every part. So I used to again go through the videos to get each and every pinpoint about the subject. So I used to watch again and again, and I used to get even more clarity. Definitely coming to the 10x role, I can say that 10x played a very important role in my career, because literally I can say that I am jobless after graduating my masters due to Corona pandemic. So I was clueless where to join, whether to continue in my mechanical engineering or to shift my career to software. So luckily, through my friend, I came across this 10x Academy, and through the 10x Academy, the advantage is they will accompany you in each and every hour, and they will guide you perfectly so that we can achieve our goals. Into the 1:1 sessions and mentor sessions and mock interviews, I got the approach how to behave when we don't know about the topic or we don't know that concept. How to tackle those situations through mock interviews. I was able to cover those areas. Frankly speaking, if you don't have any opportunity from your college side or any external source, you can blindly go through the bootcamp. If you are interested in the coding side and full stack side, you can choose 10x Academy without secondary thought, because here mentors are very good.